Towards the ends of 2015, 3R System Sdn Bhd was awarded the 9 tunnels repair work at the East Coast region of Pahang and Kelantan. The objectives were to minimize the leakage that occur on the tunnel's wall and repair any concrete defects found to ensure the serviceability state of the tunnel can be prolonged. Starting with the first tunnel in Cegah Perah, Pahang, the repair works extended to other 8 tunnels in Kelantan, along the train line between Station Manik Urai and Station Dabung. The pre-bagged and pre-packaged materials used for the repair works are highly specialized according to specification required by the Ktmb, and the repair works carried out were months, 2,348 meters length of tunnel covered. The project was complete on time in January 2017. It was a great achievement for all the parties involved, and 3R System Sdn Bhd will continue to deliver the best in the industry.